On the previous lesson, we learned about polar moment of inertia, torsional section modulus, power transmitted by the shaft, and this is part 3 of torsion. Today I will discuss the proof of T by J equal to C theta by L equal to Fs by R, and it is also included in part 3 of torsion. Okay, look at the board please. Now I will prove T by J equal to C theta by L equal to Fs by R. Okay. In the previous lesson, we learned torque transmitted T, that is equal to pi by 16 Fs dq. So here Fs equal to 16T by pi dq. Okay, it is number 1 equation. And we also know Fs by R equal to C theta by L. Now putting the value of Fs from equation 1, this is 16T by pi dq by R equal to C theta by L. Okay. Now here 16T by pi dq R, that is equal to C theta by L. Okay. Now if we convert capital R into capital D, that means radius into dia, then here T and 16 also here. Okay, and pi dq and capital R means d by 2 here, and that is equal to C theta by L. Okay, so here T by pi by 32 dq and d, that means d4, that is equal to C theta by L. And we know that the value of polar moment of inertia, that is pi by 32 d to the power 4. Okay, so it can be written as J, that is polar moment of inertia. That means T by J, that is equal to C theta by L. Okay, and this is equation 2. Now we also know that Fs by R equal to C theta by L, and this is equation 3. So from equation 2 and 3, it may be written in this form: T by J, that is equal to Fs by R, that is equal to C theta by L. Okay, so thank you.